Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
I'm gonna tell you. We as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, brothers and sisters. Greetings once again. In the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I, and all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. Welcome all viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, yeah, we are dealing a bit electrical issues. That's all. So viewers, if you like the content, subscribe. I'm going to go to the platform, you know. It would be most appreciative. See? Now, I come across a story the other day, you know, with a brother named James Tharp. See? James Tharp is a brother where living in some bushes in a Portmore, somewhere in the region of Greenwich Farm, Portmore St. Catherine side, something like that. Seen as you know, the gleaners sell them story there, so we don't know how to find them. We don't know, we're not that privy to them, so you know, it kind of hard for access them without paying, and you don't know all the things that you know, in almost every sense of the word, it's kind of a non-profitable organization, yeah. So so we are gonna read a little what we can find, and then we are latched on to this big disrespect we go on with poor people over Clifton, St. Catherine, because them find the clansman done, you know. Yeah, them find the clansman done where sell the land them. But who I highlight this brother here who was recently, you know, I laugh after the government, you know. You see how them twisted and sick, and you know, without integrity, without consideration. This is them not observe the little intricacies, the small things that matters most. Whatever it takes to give them some good public relations, Rasta, them jump at it without even consider any extra layers of facts that might be disturbing to them to feed them presence or actions in all of this. You know, want to distract from the point, you know see. Watch this now. Winston Tharp received the badge of honor for gallantry on Monday after he saved the life of a police officer who had been shot and left for dead in bushes in Portmore, St. Catherine on February 15th. Rasta. You see it? So he's a local hero, you know, and them show him a certain level. See, but watch this now. We have a little thing here, a little side story to it where we want them focus on. 8 months after Winston Tharp made a life-saving call to the police, notifying them that their colleague had been wounded and left for mortality in bushes in Portmore, St. Catherine, the 66-year-old hero remains homeless and struggling. See? Now Mr. Tharp further went on to state that he had an unfinished dwelling in Greenwich Farm, and through burglary and things like that, and like it says, an unfinished dwelling, so it's not secure that whatsoever. So burglars and criminals break in and wreck that, destroy that and thing, and in the process him lose him national registration number to the NHT, him lose him national ID, him TRN, and all of them things there. See? But this restrict him access then to probably whatever institution or entity that's there could have helped him, alleviate him immediate condition. See? But him save a police officer life. See? And immediately the government find him for use him as a prop. Them know how to find him 8 months after, 8 months after. Them know where and how to find him. See? And bestow upon him this accolades, whatever it means to them. As we know, it just enough for them interest and for them benefit alone. It not have nothing to do with this brother here. Him good at just a last start. Him coming at somebody mind and them think it is a good idea. I use this guy here. He's a good public relations piece. That go on right there, so Notwithstanding the fact that the brother homeless and living in the bushes. Him say if he have to shower, if he have to take a bathe in the bushes, he have to do it. Where everybody pass and see. He want to cook some food in the bush them, the open land. Same place where him find the police officer. He want them to say them never know. That brother your story. There's a homeless man, them prop up. Wash him off and clean him up and carry him go pin a badge upon him and call him local hero. Our hero. And now the headline is that the homeless hero, sexagenarian, still living in bushes 8 months after saving injured cop's life. 8 months after, him still living in the bush them. And government go round, prime minister go round, and cut ribbon. Every little one room tattoo him put up for poor people. Yeah, we call that tattoo because it is what it is in terms of what government housing used to be. See it? And it's all public relations and photo opportunity for them guy here. Because see it there? Them house they available and yet still. A guy see the need. To sort out one of that for a hero. Before you carry him go, wash him off and pin on a badge upon him and use him as public relations prop up rasta. It's a disgraceful, diabolical shame on the part of the government of Jamaica. You see it, and no matter how they didn't power this day, with a thing like this, I go on, you have a hero walk around with a badge, still a beg for somewhere to live. And you claim say una see it. You claim say and food for the poor, give out a little puny statement regarding this headline here. Because food for the poor now say them I go look for him and find out what them can do to help him situation. Come on, man. You find out what you can do. No, you not give a free house, but you look like you not give it under government sykes, whereby is government interest these house give it to. Or wherever the government have certain ambition of dominance and conquer, dominating and conquer. You go over there with this impression like you mean people any good, or like you have anybody's true interest at heart. See it. This is how it appears. We can't structure it any other way in our brain rasta. See it? Because this thing is wrought with some little idiot thinking. No thinking whatsoever. Nobody not put no thought process into what they might do. See, because the least you could do, is promise this man here. Promise this man here some dwelling. So that him keep in personal situation out of the headlines round there. So I try to prop him up and put him in a clean clothes and a pin and badge upon the man. The man look distraught with self-confidence and self-esteem issue. And upon the back of that, Babsy Grange, the old goat, go keep one of them, celebration thing there. And the cost of that thing is like at least two times way to the cost to give this man a decent house. We don't talk no food for the poor house now, we know. We talk a decent 2-bedroom with veranda and kitchen. You know, see front porch where you can sit down and cock up your foot and they start sitting there. We know that the reception which she used for host all His Majesty grandson could have built 2 houses. We know that without a doubt, and we just be modest with the 2 house claim because we know that crap there and the amount that rob with them rob. After that, cause we know some of the true costs them a go declare, You know, see it. Yeah, it's the way of these people, you know, see. It's like the true costs that are declared. Should be ashamed of yourself even, Boy, a shameless rasta. But them things are come out more and more in the press and people are get to know. Little by little, you know, see it? Yeah. Anyway, we give thanks in a Rastafari name. Jaja, pay attention to the youth and, hopefully we keep the pressure upon them so that them do what needs to be done, which is righteousness. You know, see it? We give thanks, Rastafari.
Something alright. Something alright, yeah.